Feeling bored with carrot halwa or carrot kheer? This recipe is just for you. It's carrot rasmalai. Rasmalai is a very popular and loved sweet dish in India, and we're going to make it with carrots. It's a new, different, and really very yummy and delicious sweet dish. So, guys, let's see the recipe. So guys, at first I have taken half kg of red carrots and I peeled them off, and after that I'm washing them properly. So now I am draining the water and taking the carrots in a plate. After that we need to grate. No, we don't need to grate them because we are not going to make a halwa. We are making rasmalai. So we need to cut them into small pieces. Try to make them small because we need to grind them in a mixer grinder jar. So now all of them are cut into small pieces, as you can see, and now we are going to grind them into smooth paste, and it's ready. While grinding I used only 2 tablespoons of milk to make it smooth. Now removing all of this, and now we need to go to the pan. In the frying pan, I am adding some ghee. Ghee means clarified butter. So now, after the pan is heated well, we need to add the carrot paste. I am keeping 2 tablespoons of carrot paste aside and adding the rest of the paste in the frying pan. I am telling you later what we need to do with the 2 tablespoons of carrot paste. I added a pinch of salt, and now we need to fry the paste well. I'm stirring well, and after about 3 to 4 minutes, now the color has been changed, as you can see. Now I'm adding about 1/4 cup of suji. Suji means semolina. This is fine semolina. You may take the bigger one, there is no problem. I'm mixing everything well. After mixing well, I'm going to add some milk. I'm adding about 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk only, not so much, because we need to add some sugar as well. After the milk is dried up, I'm going to add some sugar according to taste. I'm adding about 3 to 4 teaspoons of sugar as per my taste. No, it's about 3 teaspoons of sugar. After mixing well, it will be liquid than before, and we need to dry it up. And now it's again done. As you can see, it's like a dough form. And now we need to turn the heat off and cover the frying pan for some time to cool it down. Not fully, just for the tolerance of making balls with our hands. So I'm covering it. After about 10 minutes, I'm taking a steamer plate and greasing it with some oil. You may use ghee instead of oil. And now we need to make some balls. I'm making balls, but you may make them in different shapes as you like. There's no problem. I'm greasing my hand as well, and now I'm going to make balls. You may use one hand or two hands. Now I'm going to use both of my hands for making it fast. As you like, as you feel comfortable, there's no problem. So let's make all the balls for rasmalai. So guys, all of the balls are ready, as you can see. Now we need to steam them. So for steaming, I have put some water to boil. Here it is, and it's steaming, as you can see. I'm putting the steamer plate on this vessel, and now I'm covering the plate. We need to steam it on high heat for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, they're all done. I'm touching a ball and it will not stick to my hand. That means it's done. So I'm removing the plate and letting it to cool down like this. And now we are making ras malai. That means the rabdi for ras malai, ras. So I have taken 3 cups of boiled milk. It's full cream milk, And now I'm adding 3 green cardamoms crushed. You may use half teaspoon of green cardamom powder instead. And now sugar as per taste. After melting the sugar, you may check the taste and you may add more sugar if needed. 1 pinch of salt to enhance the taste of the sweet. And now some dry fruits. I'm taking cashews, almonds, and some raisins. You may use any kind of dry fruits as available or as you like. There's no problem. Now we need to boil the milk. So let's wait for some time. Now the milk is hot but not still boiling. Now it's time to add that carrot paste I kept aside. This is the paste, and now I'm going to add it in the milk. After adding the paste, we need to stir the milk very well. And along with the carrot paste, I'm going to add some malai. I'm making rasmalai, so some malai is needed. It's fully optional. You may skip it, there's no problem. If you want to skip it, you may take some bigger quantity of milk and you may reduce the quantity with boiling. Thus, the milk will be thicker. But I'm using some malai. Malai means milk cream. This is milk cream. It's about some less than half cup, I think. After mashing a little, I'm adding the milk cream into the milk to make the milk thicker and rich. It will enhance the taste of the rasmalai and it will increase the thickness of the rabdi. After adding the malai, we need to mix everything well and we need to wait for some time until the milk starts to boil. I am washing the bowl of cream with some milk and adding it in the milk to avoid wastage. So let's wait for some time until the milk starts to boil. Now we need to check the sweetness of the rabdi and you may use more sweet, that means more sugar if needed. The milk has started to boil and now I am checking the sweetness and it's fully perfect. So when the milk is boiling, it's high time to add the sweet balls, that means carrot balls in the rabdi. So now they're fully cooled down now and now I'm removing them from the plate and I'm pressing them. As you can see, they're very spongy and soft. I'm adding one by one all of the balls in the milk. And after adding them, we need to boil it for about at least 5 to 6 minutes on medium heat. After boiling for about 5 minutes, our rasmalai will be ready. I am showing you the balls and the consistency of the milk. The milk consistency is looking thin now, but after cooling down, the consistency will be much thicker and it will be fully in texture of halwa style rabdi. So after boiling for about 5 to 6 minutes, I think the consistency is perfect and you may see the balls. They are not broken and they are soft as well. So now I'm turning the heat off and after turning heat off, we need to cool it down. You may serve it hot or cold. It will be equally delicious. So guys, let's turn the heat off and wait for some time before serving. After about 15 minutes, it's still hot, but not like that. Now I'm going to serve it and show you. So guys, let's serve it. You may serve it now or you may keep it in the fridge and after that you may serve it cold. It will be equally delicious in both the way. So guys, try this simple recipe at home and don't forget to share your experience with me. I'm garnishing the plate with some dry fruits. I'm taking some chopped almonds on the top and now I'm going to chop it and eat it in front of you. It is so soft and yummy from the inner side, and the outer rabdi is so much delicious as well. It's soft, and as you can see, wow. I'm going to eat it in front of you. Take some rabdi with it and enjoy it like this. Wow. It's so tasty, guys. After trying the recipe, comment below. Hit the like button guys if you really liked the video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to meet you in the next video.